Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. More than 3 years after announcing plans to acquire a controlling interest in Guardian Holdings, National Commercial Bank Financial Group is still facing opposition. The company says it's now awaiting crucial licenses to finalize the takeover. Senior officials at NCB gave an update on the transaction this morning at an investors briefing. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
A takeover bid from NCB for Guardian Holdings, overshadowed by disgruntled shareholders, multiple court appearances, several extended deadlines and lengthy approval processes, and still no sign of closure in the near term. CEO of NCB Financial Group, Patrick Hilton, explained Friday that the group is now in talks with Trinidad's Minister of Finance to help finalize the deal.
We are still awaiting the issuance of 3 licenses in Trinidad and Tobago, right? Last week, the Minister of Finance in Trinidad and Tobago had indicated that he would be writing to us for certain clarifications, which he did and to which we have responded. We have had a brief exchange of communication since that, and now we are just awaiting a response from the ministry.
Acquiring a controlling interest in Guardian Holdings would significantly expand NCB's regional footprint, giving the financial group a notable presence in about 20 territories. So what happens if the deal doesn't materialize?
The organization's financial performance for 2019 is not purely dependent on the acquisition of Guardian. Right? Regional expansion, there are probably very few comparable institutions like Guardian. And I'm not saying if there's no Guardian tomorrow, we'll try to get something else like Guardian. Those things take time. You know, those things don't happen overnight, right? Nonetheless, we're optimistic about that transaction. And as I said to you, we're optimistic with or without it.
Earlier this month, NCB Financial Group signaled that it's willing to revisit aspects of the takeover bid. That decision followed reports from the Trinidad and Tobago finance minister that the $45 million in vendor financing to complete the transaction should not be applied in the manner being considered. NCB said once its advisors have seen details of the ministry's position, it will revisit the manner it proposes for settlement and any other revisions to its approach that may be required. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the greenback selling for $134.45. The Canadian dollar is sold for $100.29. The pound is going for $172.26, while the euro is going for $151.28. The JC index gained 3,419 points today, while the junior market index is down 22 points. Among the winners were Radio Jamaica, JMMB Group 7.5%, JMMB Group, Kingston Wharves, and AMG Packaging and Paper. On the losing side were Iron Rock Insurance, General Accident, Fosrich, Stanley Motor, and Caribbean Producers Jamaica. That's the Financial Week. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.